How do you add a third reality soil moisture sensor second generation to Home Assistant? First, you need to have a ZigBee dongle bridge, and I have this one from Sonoff. Second, you need to have the MQTT mosquito blocker installed on the Home Assistant. Open the sensor and fit the battery. Make sure there's nothing blocking. With the battery on, alright, press this button and keep it pressed for 5 seconds or more until you see the LED bleeping blue, which means the sensor is entered pairing mode. On the MQTT bridge, you permit join, and once you do that, you go back, the sensor should automatically appear here. In case you remove it, as I did, so that I can film it again, you will need to restart the ZigBee to MQTT bridge to be able to add it again, as I did here. You can see it's been added, and you may want to give it whatever name. It indicates the temperature 30.5 Celsius degrees and moisture 0% because it's held in air. Or make a simple text, putting it into full water and see if something's changing. Right, you can see the moisture raised to 83.59%, which I believe is not totally accurate because I think this is 100% moisture. Right, so let's see about some calibration here. So I've changed this to 100% humidity. The temperature remains totally off and doesn't seem to support any good calibration. The moisture, not sure how well I was able to calibrate.